To show you how I achieved this beautiful nail design. I received so many compliments from a lot of people. They really loved how the nails came, and I do too, honestly. So I decided in today's video to show you how I went about to achieve this beautiful design. This is perfect for winter. We have some little snowflakes, and I'm going to show exactly how I did it. All right, so we're going to use, let me show you what I have used as far as tips. This is the box of Alkan, I believe it's called soft gel, medium ballerina, 504 pieces, 12 sizes, and those are gel soft tips. Okay, so this is exactly what I have on my nails. All right, we have to buff this shine away. All right, just because we want the gel to adhere properly to the nail tip. All right, so I went ahead and buffed the nail tips off camera real quick for you so I don't bore you with that. So now what we're going to do is I always use a base coat. Okay, this time I'm using this from Model 1's base coat. The reason mentioned previous videos, the reason why I'm using gel base is because my application is going to be a lot smoother. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and paint the remaining nail tips. All right, so we finished painting the base coat. We're going to go ahead and cure. All right, we went ahead and cured that base coat for 60 seconds. And now we're gonna start our design. I'm going to use this blue, like a baby blue. Let me show you. It's a beautiful baby blue. Okay, so I'm going to use this and apply it on all 5. Let's see if I'm a little bit not in focus. There you go. All right, so I'm gonna use it on the all tips. All right. So let me just start with the first one so I can show you a little bit close up on how beautiful this color is. It does have a bunch of things inside. It has some glitter, some small, some chunky, but overall I think it looks like I want to say milky baby blue, I would say, with a bunch of little and big glitter pieces inside. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and apply the first coat on all 5. All right, I went ahead and cured this for 60 seconds. Now we're gonna apply a second coat, nice and thin. Okay, all the nail tips. Make sure to hit all the spots. Okay, and also don't forget, if you guys are interested in this type of content, don't forget to subscribe. I usually post once a week. I try to come with things that are, you know, trendy and using products that you can, you know, find easily on Amazon, and they're not gonna break the bank. All right, so consider subscribing to my channel. All right, perfect. Beautiful. And don't forget to hit the like button if you liked this this video. All right, we're gonna go ahead and cure this for 60 seconds in our big lamp. Okay, so we went ahead and cured this for 60 seconds. We want to make sure we cure each and every layer and make sure you do follow the manufacturer instructions. I've heard horror stories with uncured gel, and we don't want that, okay? We don't want this to turn into something that's not supposed to be. Okay, some tragic situation. Okay, so now what we're going to do, in order for us to use the stamper, we have to remove the tacky layer. Okay, so we're just gonna go and I'm using this swipe from Young Nails. I really love this stuff. It's really good. So basically, you're just gonna go ahead and use it on your nail in order for you to be able to stamp it. Because if you don't do this, it's just not gonna work. It's not gonna work. Once I've tried, I forgot actually once, and I forgot to remove the tacky layer, and I was so upset. I didn't know why it's not working. I'm like, what's going on? Why is it not working? And then I realized that I realized the mistake. And yeah, don't forget to remove. Oops. Okay. Don't forget to remove the tacky layer in order to use the stamp. Now, if you don't have stamping plates, today we're going to use this, I believe this from Clear Jelly Stamper. I think this is Canadian. I'm here in the US, but I was able to order this from Clear Jelly Stamper, and took a little while to get here, but I really like it. Now, what I was saying, if you don't have this and you have a small fine detail brush, you can still oh wow, you can still achieve this. This is very drying. You can still achieve this design. Okay, it's just not gonna be so perfectly detailed and intricate and all that. And even if you can really like hand paint this snowflakes, you know, you deserve some prize or something, because I'm not able to do that, especially when I'm using my non-dominant hand. It's it's not gonna happen. So this just makes things easier. Okay, so I do have two plates here with two different type of snowflakes and designs. As you can see on this one here, I've used, let me just put this away so I can show you. On my thumb, I've used this pattern right here, okay? And then the rest, I've used this two little snowflakes. And in the middle of the snowflake, I have applied a little rhinestone. Okay, let me show you how easy this is if you have a stamper. Nowadays you can find this, pretty sure you can find them everywhere. I've seen them even at Walmart, so it doesn't have to be anything fancy. I really like this one from Clear Jelly, because you can see the design inside, right? You pick up your design, you stamp it, and you stamp it exactly where you want it to. You can clearly see through this big hole, if I can say that. You can see exactly where you're gonna stamp. I've used this that I purchased off of Amazon, Born Pretty nail stamping polish. I believe it is a little bit different than like your regular nail polish. It's a little bit more opaque. It's a little bit thicker, I feel. I don't know, but this works really well versus the regular nail polish, if that makes sense. Okay, so I'm gonna use this, okay, and simply just do this. Let's go ahead and replicate this one. We're gonna do like so, And then we're gonna use our, you can use anything, an old credit card, whatever you have, okay? Let's do this. We're just gonna pick up and look at this. Look how beautiful this is. Now all you have to do is just remove this. If you don't have like a lint roll thingy, or you can use like Scotch tape. Don't use acetone. If you are gonna use acetone to remove the little tiny bits from your design, you're gonna ruin this. This is not gonna work in, I don't know, a few times or a month or two. I don't know how often you're gonna use it. This is gonna be ruined. So don't use acetone on your stamping little jelly, whatever that is. Okay, so let me show you exactly what I did. I went ahead and looked through and placed it right here. Okay, let me show you what I'm doing. Look at that beauty. It's perfect. Okay, if you don't have a stamper, like I said, they're super inexpensive on Amazon, Walmart. You can find them. If you don't have one, which I highly suggest one, because you're not going to be able to sit and paint perfectly the snowflakes. There's no way. This is just going to make your life easier. Okay, and now let's see. All you have to do now, keep in mind, we're gonna need a little bit of acetone on the plate, but remember, don't use any acetone on your little stamper, little jelly. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean the plate a little bit, and we're gonna pick up this big one again. Okay. And you don't need much, just a little bit. Scrape away. And then we're gonna pick up the design. And then just make sure you clear the rest. All right. Isn't this beautiful? Okay. Okay. And then I'm just trying to replicate the same one that I have. All right, perfect. That's beautiful. Okay. And I don't know how well it shows in the video, but they're beautiful, gorgeous. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and seal the deal. We stamped this beautiful snowflakes. They're so cute. Okay, so we're gonna seal the deal with this ultimate finish gel from Young Nails, or any top coat that you have. Okay. All right. And just make sure you encapsulate in a way that design. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and cure this for 60 seconds. And okay, so I went ahead and cured the gel and the little stones, the rhinestones. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, I have received so many compliments from a lot of people, you know, asking how, you know, I achieved this, if I had them done at a salon. I told them I've done them myself, so I decided to show you how I did this. So yeah, if you like this type of content, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're interested in this type of content, and I'll see you in my next one.